So UCS Logistics is a full IT lifecycle services organization. What we do at UCS is we do the full gamut of managing your IT assets, the entire life cycle, everything from the ingestion and receipt and reverse logistics of receiving in laptops, desktops, servers, etc. When we get those in, we'll put an asset tag on them, whatever that might be. We have a lot of ways of doing it. We'll enter it into our proprietary cloud-based multi-tenanted system that allows us to track those assets as it goes through our system and through its life cycle, all the way through receiving the asset to stocking the asset, checking it in, so to speak, to imaging it, grading it, repairing it, kitting it, shipping it. Then that allows us to do onboarding and offboarding of employees as you have new hires and hires leave, as well as being able to do all the break fix work in between, including advanced exchange for employees. We're also able to help you know where any asset is at any given time to reduce loss and loss prevention, as well as when employees leave, we make sure that those assets come back and greatly help with reducing financial losses from companies to making sure they come back. We'll handle the reconditioning, the refurbing, as well as we'll do the remarketing and R2 level recycling on those devices. When we do remarketing, we typically do a revenue share with our clients, and it becomes a nice check that they receive or a nice discount off of their bill. So at the end of the day, that's what we do from an end user perspective. When we talk about servers, hyperscale, building out racks, we can do the same thing with that, as well as a bunch of IoT devices where we can receive a rack of gear where our technicians are capable of racking, stacking, burning in, imaging, putting the firmware on, doing all the configuration, following the landing diagram for that device, for those things. And then we're able to crate it up, pack it up, ship it out to a location, and our field techs were able to roll it into place and set it up for the customer on site. So we are located in a suburb of um, Columbus, Ohio. We're about 15 minutes from the Columbus airport. The suburb that we're in is called Urban Crest. And we've got a total of about 700,000 square feet of very secure buildings. Two of them are right next to each other. One is across the street. We also have first right of refusal from our real estate company to acquire additional space as we need it. Our facility is extremely clean, extremely secure. There's nowhere inside or outside of our buildings that you can't be on high definition camera. We have turnstile secure keycard access to get into the buildings, as well as we also have the ability to build out custom cages with access control for clients that need even more secure environments. Nobody's getting in without being escorted or checked in with a badge into our facilities or out by that same token. At the same point, the location is in Ohio because we can ship anywhere in the continental United States within 1 day, which makes it very easy to do advanced exchange and turn around the services that we need to. And Ohio provides a very cost-effective, highly talented labor pool that we draw upon. So UCS has been in the industry for a while. A lot of our employees have been around for like well over 30 years. And with that, we've evolved and have developed some really interesting applications that we utilize to support our clients. One of those applications that we have is a true multi-tenanted software as a service platform that allows our customers to integrate with our systems in real time to have real-time information on all of their assets, not just IT assets. Additionally, with that, that allows us to be able to provide constant information about where your stuff is, for lack of a better term, how much of it you have, how old of it. We use AI for predictive maintenance capabilities, as well as being able to do forecasting of how much stuff you need to keep in our facility so we know how much to have on hand. So you're never waiting for gear to come in for us to be able to ship out to fulfill orders. Our team also is highly specialized in working with you and customizing those processes around your business processes for each client individually. So UCS actually specializes and has been for a long time in working with devices. For instance, kiosks of all different sizes. We've supported and staged and repaired and shipped and built kiosks for airports, we've done them for banks, we've done them for shopping malls. We're able to do the full life cycle of repair, including the field services for that, and handle the safe R2 level disposal and remarketing of those devices and the components in it. We also can work with our IoT devices like robotic arms. We're able to work with that for manufacturing. We can work with drones as well, with doing repair work on those. And we're able to work with simple things like we work with big box stores doing smart displays, TVs, handling their RMA processors for them. We're able to go fix things like HDMI ports, USBs. We could solder main boards and do component level repair on these devices. So we're really not your average just break fix technology shop. We really extend beyond anything else that has technology baked into it, and we're able to add those to our asset management system and provide full programs around them for our clients.